Cabinet Minister Suklacharan Nuatia, BJP State General Secretary Bipin Debarma, and West Tripura District Magistrate Dr. Vishal Kumar has visited Bethesda Rehabilitation Center on Friday, July 11, located in Nandanagar, Aguli.
On this day, during his visit, Cabinet Minister Suklacharan Nawatia said that many drug abuse youths from different parts of the state has come to the Bethesda Rehabilitation Facility Center with the hope and courage to recover from drug addiction. The minister talked to the youth present at the rehab center and made them promise to be a better person in future after leaving the rehab center and start a new living. He also said that they will be provided with all the necessary needs, and that has been discussed with the DM Vishal Kumar.
Pelaika hambai tini kaisa spodosung pelaika Agartala jibini Nandanagar area bo ora kaisa sini Bethesda Rehabilitation Facility abo kaisa trust ni bising tiyai borok last 3 years continue ora jaga bo jara drugs addicted borok no recovery khlainani bagai borok no hamrnani bagai different district, different subdivision, different block, different village ni hoite aro charai rok tongo prai maximum na young age 15 to 20 age ni bisingo jang tabuk borok bai malaika prai 70 kacha kachi tongo borok ni aro jaga bo jara addicted ongjak drugs borok no jang sini DM saheb West District tei sini BJP ni State Committee ni General Secretary Bipin Debarma abo chung thangnai 3 month ni sakangono kaisa visit khlainani hne borokno chung kogrojak tongo oroni jara trust run khlainai Simon Debarma te koyekjon borok ni aro jaga committee tongo kai samoyni karonoi chung phaileimaya gai tini hingkangkai time jehetu mankha jehetu scope mankha chung tinio phai visit khlaikha e borok ni aro jaga jara rehab tongnai charai rok bai chung kok salaika interaction khlaika borok na chung counseling khlaika kok saka je borok oroni hoite recovery ongi thangkangkai jate in future tai oba hai samang hamyawa jate tmai hin gadal jaboi kaisa smai tangai nijine life no teibo standard upgradation khlaimani bagai joton baina chung motamoti kok salaika দ্বিতীয় তো hangkangkai borok ni oroni rehab ni jaga bo bangni jara trust salongnai rokno chung bahai ke sini podre for angle ti government ni scope man kangkangkai ba bibina department ni scope tui chung borokno bahai ke different angle ti borokno chung chuba weiman abono tuino DM saheb bai bokok salaika chung chesta khlainai borokno podre for tmehin angle ti borokno chung chubanani bagai jehetu aba private kaisa সংস্থা ba privately babe borok abono run khlai dongo trust ni bisingti so aboni bagai tini phai visit khlaipi mane kaba belai ang appreciate ma khlaio jara tmehin trust ni jara una rokno je khoroksa life no recovery khlai rohmane abo chikon sa issue ya rangbai सबकिछु khlaiman pano kintu obohai kaisa dedication borok prai 70% affected young age ni bisingo borokno aro man to man borokno ara jaga bo chanane tongnane thunane bithi podripur borokno naikolnane abo belai too much tough abono puno borok tini obahike khlai tongmane bagai society ni bisingo belai khang appreciate khlaio.
The minister further urged everyone to not indulge in any kind of narcotics abuse. The minister was also accompanied by BJP State General Secretary Bipin Debarma and West Tripura District Magistrate Dr. Vishal Kumar.
इन बच्चों को उसमें एनरोल करके उनका खाना पीना और वो सब इसमें से आ जाएगा और ये रिहैबिलिटेशन भी हो जाएगा। बिल्कुल सर काम भी हो।
Bureau Report, Chini Khwarang.